this homework here, it's really quite straightforward. What we're doing is we're looking at how we can use isometric drawing. So, on this particular work, what I want you to do for your homework, and I'm going to use a felt pen, but you use a pencil. I'm using a felt pen so that it's picked up on the video. What I'm going to ask you to do is to really just start thinking about how you can draw in architectural pieces. On this case here, I'm drawing in a staircase, which is then going to go up to maybe something like a, I don't know, let's think when we get here. Yeah, let's go to a doorway up here. So, you've got a staircase going up to a doorway. Now, with a doorway, it's really quite straightforward, or anything like this is really quite straightforward. All you've got to do is remember to do everything parallel. Everything's got to be parallel. Do not do anything which doesn't use these lines here. Really, what I'm looking for in your homework is to see if you can do a whole city or a whole series of buildings. Okay? I'm going to want you to think about how you can use these lines here, these isometric lines, to create a whole city. There's all sorts of things you can do inside this. It's just about building it up. And that's what I want you to do for your homework. For the first one, you've all got it labelled at the top. So for the first one, what I want you to do is to play around with the isometric paper, just to see what you can do. It's similar to what you were doing in class, but I need to check that you can know how to do this before we start the classwork one. And as you know, everything's on Firefly, so if you need to look it up. Thank you.